Holy Queen, enthroned above, Mother of mercy, Mother of love. Oh Maria, hear our prayer. Show us your Son, and we shall be saved. To you we cry, poor banished children of Eve. To you we send up our sighs, mourning and weeping in this vale of tears. Turn then, most gracious Advocate, your eyes of mercy toward us. And after this our exile, show unto us the blessed fruit of your womb, Jesus. Oh clement, oh loving, oh sweet Virgin Mary. Oh clement, oh loving, oh sweet Virgin Mary. Oh clement, oh loving, oh sweet Virgin Mary.